Welcome to yet another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to stream to Twitter and Instagram using vMix. Now I've done a video in the past on how you can stream to Instagram using vMix. I actually make use of a software called Yellow Dog, but after that particular video I got lots of complaints from my subscriber that the Yellow Dog software wasn't working. They were unable to log into their Instagram account even after putting in their password and their correct username. They were still unable to log in to their Instagram account, which resulted to them not being able to stream to Instagram using Yellow Dog. But I've also discovered another software. I've tested it out for days now and it worked 100% fine. I've never experienced any failure with using it for some days now. It has always worked fine. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to use that to also stream to Instagram and how you can also stream to Twitter as well. All of this using your vMix software. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time or haven't subscribed, hit that red subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell to be part of our little family here on YouTube, and also get notified whenever I drop new videos or new content here on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for all the support. Remember to give this video a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm can also recommend it to other people out there on YouTube who would want to be part of our little family here on this YouTube channel. And without any further ado, let me show you how you can stream to your Twitter account and also your Instagram account using your vMix software. Now let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is to open your browser or whichever one you make use of. I'm just going to create, okay, here is my streaming I did on Twitter.
Everything I find. I've been in the jungle before
and it was 100% fine. Okay, so open your browser and type in getstreamon.com. I've also dropped the link in the description below. So the software we are going to be making use of is called GetStreamOn. Okay, so and this software works for both Windows, Mac and Linux users as well, and you can use it for your OBS to stream to Instagram using OBS. I'm also going to be making that video soon. Okay, so subscribe so you wouldn't miss that update when it comes. I go ahead and download, and you see it right here. You see for Windows, for Mac, for Linux. Just download for Windows here. Click on the download button and you see you should be able to download the GetStreamOn software. And once you finish downloading it, I'm just going to cancel it because I've already downloaded it before. I'm just going to cancel it and go over and open my file explorer. Okay, file explorer here, go over to download folder, then programs, and you see it right here. See it here. So stream live Instagram setup. You see this is the software. So once you finish downloading it, just right click and select run as administrator, and you should be able to install this on your PC. And once you're done installing the GetStreamOn software, let me just minimize it, open it. Okay, so let me also minimize this one too. So once you're done installing it, go ahead and open it on your PC, which is it, as you can see right there. Just go ahead and open it. Okay, let me open my right here, and okay, just 1 second, let me log out. And once you open it, this is how it's going to look like. Just type in your Instagram username, which is what I'm going to do. Type in your Instagram username and then your password. Okay, and log in, and I think you should be able to log into your Instagram account. Okay, so it's going to ask you what you are streaming. If it's your church service, maybe whichever one, or maybe your faith clinic like mine. Okay, I'm just going to type live here /breakthrough service. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm just going to type, I'll give space, type this and type in the dates, maybe today's date 14/4/2022, and this is it right here. So you put in the title of what you're streaming, and once you've done that, click on the start live stream here. So click on the start live stream here, and you can see, so they are going to give you the SRT URL and also the key as well. Now once they've shown you this, go ahead and open your vMix software, which is what you're seeing right there on the screen, and click on the stream button. You can see the stream button here. Click on it, and on the first one, select the custom RTMP server. Don't put it on none or anyone, just select custom RTMP server. And once you've selected that, open the software, which is the StreamOn software. Let me space it out so that I can see everything clearly. So copy the stream URL and go paste it on the URL tab here. copy the key here also and paste it on the key page here. And once you've done all of this, click on the setting sign here. You can see the setting on the quality, see the setting button there, click on it, and let's set our quality. Okay, so we don't want it to stream and consume all of our data. Let's minimize it. I always like to stream to 800 your video bitrate. So the higher the video bitrate, the higher the amount of data is going to consume. So the lower the video bitrate, the lower the amount of data is going to consume, and also the quality of your stream. So if you set it on 1005, 2000, your streaming quality is going to look perfect and it's going to look okay, but it's going to consume more of data. So I always advise between 1000 to 1800. Okay, so between 1000 to 1800 depending on the amount of data you're using. Okay, so I just set mine to 800. I don't want it to consume all of my data, though the quality will still look fine. Type 854 and 480, which is my resolution. This is your resolution. So also set the resolution in a streaming on. I like to stream on 854 and 480. I don't want to stream 720. Okay, so and even if you are streaming on 720 or 854, your video bitrate is what determines the quality of your live stream, how clearer or how sharper it's going to look. So what determines that? It's your video bitrate, the amount of video file is going to upload online. Okay, so once you've done with all of this, just save it. And once you save it, go over to the second one. Now we'll finish setting up our Instagram live stream, and let's set up our Twitter live stream. So let me just minimize this. Okay, you can see right here, and click on the second one, the number 2. Once you click on the number 2, you see the destination is set on none. Click on it and select Twitter. You can see Twitter down here, so select Twitter here. And once you've selected Twitter, click on the settings here, and you see not logged in. Now before any of this, make sure the vMix is not blocked through firewall on your PC. Put on the outbound rules and also the inbound rules. If not, you won't be able to log into your Twitter account. But if the vMix software is not blocked through the Windows firewall, you should be able to log into your Twitter account and set up your live stream. Okay, so but if you not block it, you should be able to log in. But if you do that, block both the outbound rules and the inbound rules, you won't be able to log in, because it won't grant it access for you to log in to your Twitter account. So if you block that, you can quickly unblock it before clicking on this login tab you're seeing right here. Okay, so once you've done that, click on the login tab here. Just going to do that, and it's going to take you right to your default browser where you're going to authorize app. You can see the authorize app here. Click on the authorize app and see login process complete. Please see the application for further instructions. So I've already logged into my Twitter account. You can see Techie right here showing on the screen, and I'm going to set my stream title as well. So what is it? What title am I streaming on? And I'm going to type in live, the same thing I typed on Twitter too, live space break through service, and I'm going to put this one here, put space and type in the date. Today is date 14/4/2022, and this is it. I click on OK, and we are good to go. Now select use stream 1 quality. What this means is it's going to use the stream quality you set on the first one, also on the second one as well. Okay, so and once you've done all of this, click on the save and close. Okay, so we've just saved this and closed it. Now click on the stream button there. See the stream button, click on it, and your streaming will start immediately. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a moment, and once it turns to red, it means our streaming have already started. Okay, so now once you already click on the streaming, go back to your get streaming software and click on the go live tab. See, and this will take you, this will set up the live on Instagram immediately. Okay, so click on the go live tab there, and we're currently live on Instagram, and we are also live on Twitter as well. Now one thing you need to note is if the stream button changes to red, it means you are currently streaming and your network is okay. But if it's on yellow, it means your network is not okay and you are not streaming. Okay, so it has to be on red. If it's on red, if it changes to red, it means you are currently streaming. But if it's still on yellow, you need to fix your internet. It means that your internet is not strong and it cannot stream with that particular internet. Okay, now let's confirm that. Open my browser. Okay, so close this, go type Twitter and home. Okay, go over to my profile here. See, go over to my profile, just give it a moment for it to load. Let's scroll down. You can see live here. You see, So this is it. We are currently live on Twitter. You can see here. For Techie, you can see I'm live on Twitter. Okay. See the live here. 0 viewers. So we are currently broadcasting live on Twitter, as you can see. So the quality is not bad. That's because I reduced the video bitrate. Now the higher the video bitrate, the clearer your video quality, okay, and also the higher the data it's going to consume. See, you're currently live on Twitter. I'm using my phone internet, which is why it might seem a bit lagging, as you can see there on the screen. And let's go ahead and open Instagram and confirm as well. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so our Instagram has finished. Type in Paul. Okay, I think you can see my profile there. See, this is it. See Paul there. See live. So it means we are also live on Instagram as well. Okay, so click on the box and let's see. You can see here. You can see. So we are live both on Twitter and on Instagram as well. Okay, and this is it. This is how to stream live both on Twitter and Instagram using vMix. Remember I said I'm using my phone internet, so that's why it's a bit lagging. It's because I'm using my phone internet and it's not really that strong. Okay, so that's why you're seeing it like this. And this is how to stream live both on Twitter and Instagram using vMix. Okay, so use a dedicated internet for it and you are good to go.